Hello friends, in my last video I showed you that I was making this pattern here, and I'm going to film as I go along as I'm making it. So I have all of my pieces for the actual pumpkin bodies. I didn't even realize I was cutting for two of those. I thought I was only cutting for one. This is the one for my camper, this is the one for my home, and these two will probably be for sale. Wanted to show you is in the last video I showed you that I had a mess over here and lots of scraps. Do not throw away all these little pieces that you get off of after you cut your main pieces off, because when you have to cut all the little pieces, these scraps come in handy. So I will save all of these little pieces, and then as I need them I will use them up for the applique pieces, because one side has a flower, one has leaves, one has polka dots, and then as you go around each section has different things. I'm building up quite a mess here, but as you can see I'm making progress getting all my pieces cut. I wanted to show you this tool. This is very old. I've had it a long time. I don't know if any of you have one. It's a Sizzix, and it is a pedal. Get that clear, paddle punch. So I need 8 of these little circles for each pumpkin, and I'm doing 4, so that is a lot of little circles. So instead of cutting them, I just use this, and I can't do it holding the phone, but you see I'll get, so again I'm using up all these little pieces. Don't throw them out. You just put that on there and you hammer it, I can't do it, of course. And then when you take it off, your little circle is cut out. And that's how you do your circles really quick. I have different ones here. Again, I've had these for a super long time. But you can see there's different shapes. You might find them like on eBay or something. I don't think that you can purchase them new anymore. Okay, folks, this is the reality of my world. I guess it's probably because I did 4 at one time, but I finally got done cutting all of these pieces. And I'm telling you, sitting on the floor like that bent over, my back is not happy at all. I did take one break and had something to eat, but then I had to come back to it. So this, I'm all done cutting now. It's time to place the pieces and put little dabs of glue on them. So this is my mess. First, before I clean this up, I'm going to take a break. Then I am going to clean all this up, fold these pieces again, put them back in the cabinet, clean off my work table so I can sit in a chair for the rest of the job. And all of these little pieces here that are teeny tiny, those will all go inside the pumpkins to use as stuffing with fiberfill. But I have other fabric scraps too that I'll probably use. So I save them all. I don't throw them away. Okay, I cleaned up my mess last night. Got all of the little pieces placed where they needed to be on the panels. And then I used a little bit of Aleene's tacky glue. Now you want to make sure that you don't get it where you're going to be stitching through. So you just want to use little bits. These are showing pink on the camera, but they're actually orange. Those are not as red as they're showing. They're a very rusty, burnt orange, primitive color. Those are also oranges. And these look pretty close to what they actually look like. So those are coming out good on the camera. They're teals and tan. So I will be stitching these today. After I do the hand stitching, then they get machine stitched to attach the panels to each other. Okay, I got all of my pieces stitched on. I forgot to film that before I put them together. So then you do right sides together. Let me lay it down here so you can see. Right sides together. It's open at the bottom. That's the top. It's open there also. So you sew. So you sew. That sounds funny. Anyway, you're sewing all those sections together. And then you clip around the curves. before you turn it right side out. Now I need to cinch this up with a running stitch and stuff it. And I'll be back.